Good evening, all of you. Myself, Dr. N.G. Popotwar, Head and Research Supervisor, Department of Fishery Science, DSM College, Jintur, District Parbhani, Maharashtra. My topic is environmental sustainability as water pollution and its effect on aquatic life. How this water, these are to be affect on the aquatic life. Climate change is the biggest global challenge facing today by human beings. All over the world, governments were looking for practical and time-bound plans to cope with changing the environment. The climate changes impacts are global, but adaptation and mitigation plans are location specific. The observed climate change is a long-term phenomenon process. Hence, the fishes need not be aware of the effect of climate change. They are affected with the immediate effect of weather, temperature, rainfall, and drought out condition. Monsoonal fluctuations, loss in fishery, etc., leading to reduced income and livelihood status of the fisheries. The impact of climate change going to affect economy as well as social standards for fisherfolk with implications for food security and sustainable livelihoods. Thus, the climate change effect impact the environment, fishery, social, economic, and development devices. Now, we have seen that effect of pollutant on fishes. These pollutants, these are to be show the adverse effect on fishes. Which effect these are to be seen and how? Due to the pollution, day by day, fish population these are to be affected, these are to be infected. In which the recent growing concern for the quality of our aquatic environment has strengthened the concept of environmental monitoring, which requires regular periodical measurements of aquatic water bodies. Environmental problems are so diverse and diffused. People should be told about the importance of cleanliness as well as about the consequences of different types of water pollution. Different types of pollutants and pollution shows a different effect on aquatic, especially fishes. These different effects are given below. The first important effect due to the pollution, due to continuous heavy pollution in aquatic water bodies, in which fishes lives in these fishes an increase in osmotic pressure. Second, violent alternation in pH of the water, all acids being lethal when pH is less than 4 pH. A decrease in oxygen content of water, oxygen can become a limiting factor when it is reduced by substances with a high oxygen demand. Specific toxic ingredient which may injure the gills and other external structures cause death either from anoxemia or by intake and absorption. Destruction of biota. Due to the water pollution, due to the pollutant, the destruction of biota these are to be occurred. The fishes is affected indirectly when its habitual food organisms are destroyed. The covering of the bottom of a water body by a coating of waste matter greatly reduces the food supply of the fish and biota is to be disturbed. Destruction of spawning grounds which can be serious on respect of major carps and other fishes which require special environmental for the breeding. Mechanical injury for or blocking of gills from silt or other suspended material. Due to these materials, gills these are to be blocked, gills these are to be choked up and fish becomes died. Blocking of migration channels, long distance migratory fishes during some phase of their life history may be adversely affected by highly localized pollution of the river, and these rivers these are to be polluted and these material these are to be dumped into the river water bodies. Pathogens being carried out to human being through fishes cultured in polluted water as well as imparting foul odor to fish flesh, rendering it unpalatable. Due to these fish these are to be unpalatable. Cumulative effect of insecticides, pesticides, rodenticides, biocides, etc. on fish as well as human being. For example, BSC For DDT, these different chemicals, these are to be added in water and these are to be show the adverse effect. Then accelerating aging of lakes and ponds due to sewage pollution, even in a small quantities, may change the character of an aquatic environment over a period of years, and this is the big problem and big threat in front of the human being in India. Due to overwater pollution, no any secure water sources for aquatic animals. Even in 73 years independence, there is no pure drinking water for human being also. Development of industry in any area being water pollution sources, the all waste from industry dumping before treatment of sewage are the dangerous condition in India, and aquatic biota is reduced day by day. It is to be cause the effect. To lowering water pollution, everyone Indian citizen take actively participation in the growing concern and aquatic life as fishes growing naturally. These are to be saved. These are to be saved. With this, we have seen in short effect of water pollutant on fishes. Any problem, any difficulties, please ask. Thank you, all of you.